The 2011 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, stability control, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, CD player, security system, power windows, MP3 player, power door locks. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.